Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey. So today I'm going to be doing my very first Q&A video, and I compiled these questions through my Instagram, whereby I put up a Q&A sticker, actually a question sticker, and people submitted questions to get to know me better, and these are the questions. So I'm going to get right into it. I'll start with the first question says, how do I create YouTube account? How do I create a YouTube account? I think that's what you want to say anyway. Basically, if you can watch videos on YouTube, you already have a YouTube account. I'm just not understanding the question. But if you're talking about a YouTube channel, there's a whole other situation, a whole other process. You have to go through in order to have your own YouTube channel. But the YouTube account, if you really can log onto YouTube and watch videos, you actually do have a YouTube account, which is your credentials that you use to log onto YouTube. And the credentials that you use to register for YouTube when you first got your YouTube app. This would be your Gmail account, no, your Google account. Next question, what are you studying? I am studying lawyer. Yeah. No, that guy. How old are you? I'm 19 years old. 19 and flourishing, honey. Do you have a boyfriend? Yeah. Do you miss high school? A lot. I do. I miss high school a lot. Like, high school was nigga, I'll make the things happen during high school, you know? Like, those of y'all who have me on Instagram would know this. Yeah. What do you use for your skin? Your skin is, I will not lie to anyone's child. I don't have a skin routine. As you can see, my skin is breaking out, and yeah, which is why I'm about to try out a new product from a brand called Millennium Beauty. Let's hope they can get rid of all this and give me flawless skin, you know, like, yeah. Because, like, dermatologists are flipping cack expensive, hey? Like, I've been seeing a dermatologist for the past 4 years, if not 5. And, nigga, the money that I coughed out, I mean, you could see the results, you could see your, yes, like, Mr. Benz up okay. It's a lot of money that I don't have. Let's say I see you somewhere and I ask for an autograph or a picture with you. Are you gonna say yes? Okay, like, well, people do ask to take pictures with me, and I never say no, so I guess, yeah. How did you become famous? I don't consider myself famous, not yet. I am yet to be famous when I'm on TV. Yeah, but I'm not famous yet. But I am well known in some parts of the world. Before people show me alive and be like, yeah, we don't know you, girl. You know, but how I am well known, mostly through my mom. Everybody who knows my mom is like, oh, are you daughter? I guess it's your sister, leader, etc. So anyways, yeah, I'm just well known. Social parts of the years. I'm just well known, and also because of my Instagram profile. So yeah, that too. Where you buy your clothing? I haven't been to shops and actually bought clothing in a while, in a long time. But the last shop that I went to go purchase clothing items was YDE, H&M, and Zara. Those are the only places Like those are the last 3 shops that I went to. Other than that, before that, I don't know. But besides that, I do my shopping online nowadays. I buy everything online. It's just efficient, and most of the stuff that you get online are unique. Some aren't, because everybody has it. But anyways, yeah, I don't go to shops anymore to go buy clothing. So I buy online from these Instagram boutiques and shops. But obviously, I first check the credibility of the shop and the ratings, etc., and all of that. But yeah, that's that. Okay. Why are you so beautiful? Oh, son. Ask the dear Father of the God, the heavenly God, the one and only. I just said a whole bunch of shit right now, but really, I guess God just took his precious time with me. How did you become famous? I grew my following. How did I do that? I stopped filtering my pictures. I don't filter my pictures. I don't edit my pictures. I just stopped doing that, and I stopped using picture collages. So yeah. So basically, I changed my feed, and I gained followers, and I gained a substantial amount of followers. But get down, I need to step my game up because, honey, hey, I should be somewhere 2000 up 100. Like, I used to be famous until people grew their following beyond mine. So yeah, what are you studying? I'm studying law, like I said. Do you work with any brands? Yes, I do. Currently, I'm working with SNX Hair, the best hair company in the whole entire world, according to me right now. Okay, well, I haven't been all over the world, so let me just speak for where I've been. Gauteng province. I feel like they're the best hair company in Gauteng, and they render the most excellent service, and I just feel like that's why I would want to be associated with the brand, because it's a brand that does good, and I only want to be associated with brands that are, and SNX Hair is definitely on the top of my list. I'm also working with Akitu Hair Care. I'm their ambassador, which is basically from a natural hair. I'm natural under all of this sleekness, okay? I'm natural, done it before you. But yeah, also, hasn't done, not like tons and tons of brands, but there's like a substantial amount of brands that I'm working with, and I'm very proud, and I'm happy to be working with all of the brands that I'm working with currently, and that I've collaborated with, that I'm collaborating with currently also. Yeah. What is your YouTube channel? Wait. What name is your YouTube channel? Wait, what? I don't know how to answer that, but I feel like if you just go to my Instagram, 24May, and you click on the link in my bio, you will be directed to my YouTube channel. That makes things quite simple for me to answer that way, I think. Yeah. Especially if I don't understand the question. How old are you? I think I've addressed that. I'm 19 years old. What turns you completely off? Dishonesty, unfaithfulness, two-faced people. No, forget the first two that are two-faced people, and people that spy on you and pretend as if they don't have lives of their own. People who are fortunate enough to have quite a lot of things, but still spy on you and want to literally look at your life and observe everything about you and Google everything about you and try to make your life a misery, and then they fail at the end of the day. Okay, so basically, two-faced people, snakes, are what turn me completely off. I love honest people, and I love being honest. I love honesty also. What turns me off is someone who's rude, someone who doesn't know how to address people, someone who's just cocky for no reason, and someone who judges a book by its cover, someone who is just someone arrogant to everyone, someone who's just not a nice person, and someone who undersweet skin, someone who's two-faced, someone who is just not real, you know? Yeah. Skincare, antinaso, like yeah. But anaso, like namakabuba all over, babe. Like, yo. I didn't have a skincare routine. I break out every now and then. I cry when I break out a lot, and I get it fixed. It's just a lot of money that I don't have. When are you going to do a lazy morning routine vlog? Yeah, not now. No, not yet. I don't know when, and I don't want to give you a date. I don't want to promise you anything that I really can't see happening in the near future. But anyways, would you date a guy with less money than you? Hair care routine. There's a specific routine that I follow that was specially designed for me by the Get Your Hair Care team to use a product whereby the kit comes with 6 products in its entirety. And yeah, I got a routine to use to follow to treat my natural hair. And if you're talking about this, I just visit SNX Hair to get plugged with the best hair possible, and I plug other people as well. And yeah. Why are you so pretty? I don't know. Not knowing the things, me. Thank you, by the way. Yeah, I appreciate it. Is that a mole on your face or a piercing? It's a piercing. I don't know if you saw that race, but it's a piercing. Yeah, it's a piercing. Which gospel do you prefer? I prefer American gospel. Some songs, the worship house, South African gospel too, but certain artists. Not that it doesn't go. Yeah, certain artists. And it's not a lot, I can guarantee you that. But majority of the gospel music that's on my phone is American gospel, which is like, yeah. But one of the songs that I really love, gospel Ikali. Yes, I've always wanted to use the Ikali word suffix. Yeah, I've always wanted to add that suffix to something and have it sound weird. But gospel Ikali. I love a song by Navy Moose, a song by no, actually let me not give you my playlist yet, but Janita Benam Obana. Hey, Masi again Lopat. What products do you use for your natural hair? Like I said, Get Your Hair Care products. Yeah, actually, my hair. I'm just obsessed with this hair. Like, oh. Okay, back to the question. Sorry. How did you build such a strong following? Like I explained earlier on in this video. Basically, I just cleared out old content which was just less natural, less realistic, which was full of filters and picture graphs, picture picture collages and everything. I just cleared that out and I started filtering none of my pictures. So basically, I don't use filter on my pictures, and I do live broadcasts quite often, which gives my followers a chance to interact with me on a more personal level, you know. which is also what helped me build my following. Actually, it contributed a lot to the growth of my following, and I hope we grow bigger. I'm hoping to grow this for the bigger man. Yes. Who's your celebrity crush? First of all, it's spelled crush with a U. Second of all, I do not have a celebrity crush. I do not have a crush at all other than my boyfriend. My boyfriend is my crush, so I do not have a crush, and I do not have a celebrity crush. Which brings us down to me not having a crush at all because I'm dating my crush. So apart from my crush that I'm dating, I do not have a crush. Please upload more of the daily life videos like the one you took last year while going to school. I intend on doing so. Just be patient with me. Yeah. How do you multitask school and work? Priorities, priorities, like, but on top of it all, beyond priorities, I guess it's just a matter of time management and a whole lot of other factors that actually influence the balance, the level of balance that you have between. It's not a question, so I'm just gonna pause. How do you multitask school and work? I just answered that. How do you balance your life, and how are you able to balance school and social life? Priorities again, and social life basically. What should I say? I don't go out as much as I look like I do. A lot of people judge me and they're like, I saw that in the housing. I saw that you always are, etc. And to be honest, on the honest side of things, I'm always at home. I'm always indoors. I prefer being indoors most of the time. And I'd like to say 90% of the time, if I'm not with my boyfriend, if I'm not at school, if I'm not at church, if I'm not with my cousin and our best friends, then I'm most probably at home. I don't attend events that much. In my whole entire life, I've actually attended 5 or less events. Let's subtract the events that I've been hosting towards my cousin's event. Let's subtract that because that was like, I will party weekend in, weekend out, son. 2019 started with a kick. But anyways, yeah, it's quite simple. Yeah, it's quite simple, and I give myself time to myself. That's the biggest part. That's the biggest factor of everything. I give myself me time, which is necessary, and yeah. Do you exercise? If yes, share it. No, I don't exercise. This that you see here is unexercised. I'm so extra. I don't know if I really had to do that, but no, I don't exercise, honey. I don't exercise. I do have a gym membership, which is just deducting ridiculous amounts of money every single month, and one day when I get the element to actually go to gym, I will go. Yeah. Best friend. My best friend. I've got a lot of. Oh no, I'm lying. I don't have a lot of. I've got a lot of friends. Yes, I've got several best friends. I've got female best friends, but my main best friends are guy friends, and they're my best friend and brother. Not brother. I didn't say brothers. I said brother. You'll have to figure out which one. And their names are Dorsky and Barry. Yeah. Those are my best friends, honey. You better know if you mess with them, I will kill you. Anyways, how many languages can you speak? Xhosa, Swati, Zulu, Ndebele, Tonga. Ndebele not so fluent. Ooh, bad nail. Ndebele not so fluent. Fuck it. Ndebele not so fluent. But I can speak Ndebele, you know. Actually, let me subtract Ndebele. That is Xhosa, because I'm Xhosa, Swati, Zulu, Tswana, Sotho, Pedi, Tonga, Venda, Afrikaans. Do we count English? Let's not count English. So 9 languages apart from English. 9 South African languages. Oh, I can say a few words in Shona. No, I can only say 2 words in Shona, which is Nyarara and Lokwarira. Woo! Yes, girl! And I can... My mom taught me how to count in Spanish a few days back and I forgot already. And French, I can say bonjour, comment ça va bien, comment tu t'appelles, oui, that's it. But let's just disregard all those and just take into account just the 9 that I counted for you. Next question. Which university are you currently attending and which course are you doing? I go to Varsity College, the IIEs, Varsity College, okay, private institutions, private learning institutions, Yes, I go to Varsity College and I'm doing legal studies. That's it. Eyanisweni kwakukho ubhuti we-yellow bone one-dimples omhle onechama one-muscles. Kwabakho usisi osexy okhe wabavumiswa shanguve of I don't know which year, omhle naye onefika enye enza amawasa, badibana about the relationship, disappeared. It's not going to details, but yeah, I think the pendulum. Apart from that, Tikoka, Vanda Ike, you know, hey, must give God credit when it's true, because look at this. What do you use for your edges and how is your makeup so perfect? Please teach me. I don't have it in my room, but I use Eco Styling gel. You can get it from selective stores at Clicks, and you can definitely get it at a discount unless it's just stock out. Yeah. And how's my makeup so perfect? I guess it's just skill and a passion for art. I think for most people who are good with makeup were good in arts and culture. And if they enjoyed arts and culture, I guess that's why they enjoy makeup. Basically, I don't see anything else on that much. Yeah. Just wanna say you're superbly beautiful, but that's not a relevant statement to my Q&A session. I'm just pulling your leg, guys. I can sing. I think I can sing. Let's just pretend I didn't just say that. Yeah. Do you have a middle name? Yes, I do. It's Rosette. My other middle name. No, wait. I've got 3 names, right? So is my third name a middle name as well? And I feel like the middle name is a name in the middle. I've got 3 names. Okay, Bukelwa, Rosette, and my 18-letter grand long name. I remember even teasing you this one time, like, do you know? And I wasn't actually teasing, but it's like, whoa, your name is actually in a song, and then you sing. And he goes, Maviti under bed. Yo, baby's so cute. But anyway, reminded, and I didn't even know that. I've never heard that part in the song, but when I actually looked it up, it was actually there. Ha! Next question. Please be my friend. Jay, out of the people, serious. Okay. Asas. God December, was it real dress or those artificial ones? Which one do you think it is, eh? Which one do you want it to be? You decide. I'm kidding. I'm not mean like that. It wasn't real dreadlocks. I did have dreadlocks once upon a time. No, twice upon a time. Twice upon a time. And I cut them off each time. And I didn't sell them. We just burnt them. Long ass dreadlocks. Yo. Like, and then... Yeah, I think... Yeah, I think we've gone through all the questions. I think we've gone through all the questions, and I hope you enjoyed this Q&A session. Feel free to comment down below and like as many times. Get as many people to like this video. Share it if you would like to, and please subscribe. Yeah, love you, love you, love you. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and I'll be giving you more content. I hope you're happy with this video, and yeah, toodles.